Oh, it's been more than a day?
Yeah, and then we tried to ride it today again. So it happened the day before yesterday.
Okay. All right. Well, let me see what I can do.
Alright.
Thanks. Oh. Oh yeah, I know what your problem is. It's gone. This is a conversion. See this? It's been converted. So the water heater gets its air from the bottom, right? And as you can see, it's completely cut off. I don't know how it ever ran. But the door switch was tripped, so I'm gonna try and dig it out before I light it up. This is an interesting one. Never seen one like this, but this is so this was converted over from an older style Honeywell. Oh, it's breathing through the front. See, the glass is busted. That's how it's getting air. Oh yeah, this is crazy. I don't know what all this is. We got some issues here. We got some major issues. Maybe we can get some air. Yeah, I think it's completely cut off. I don't know how it gets its air. Okay, she's running. I think we need to just pop the rest of the glass out. There we go. Yeah, crazy. I've done these conversions. Alright. I'll try and get you guys down in there so that you can see. That's about as low as I can get you. But basically this water heater, it's got a screen on the bottom. And it appears to be buried. But it's probably been working for a long time, but the glass was busted. So I just took it out so it can get some oxygen. But there's some kind of, see this plate down here? This metal plate? I don't know if it's sitting on it or what's going on. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, it shut off. Yeah, now it's flashing too. Now I'm in trouble. Shut it down. I think this wire is a little bit loose. Challenging one here. Pinched it a little too much. Okay. Oh, come on, baby. Let's get in there. Break nothing. There we go. Yeah, the thermopile voltage is low. It's like 380, 381. It's a dropping. Maybe we can get a more accurate measurement. No, it's 638. So should drop about 100 millivolts when it's running, meaning when the circuit board's, doing its computations, drops about 100 millivolts. So its standing voltage should be about, 530, 500, something like that. Let me see. Get you a better shot. So thermopile voltage is good. I think it just tripped the door switch for obvious reasons. And that's because it's having trouble getting oxygen. But we improved that. There's not really much I can do here just because of the, I mean, if you can see how much dirt is at the bottom of this. I mean, this thing basically, you know, it's got 4 inches of dirt all the way around. It was completely covered in the front. And the screen is on the bottom. So I'm not sure how it ever got oxygen. There was a tiny little crack in the corner. You can see the little bit of this glass is busted. So I just popped this whole thing out to get it more oxygen. Not safe, not ideal, but I think they'll be okay. I mean, this thing's got big problems anyway. I'll put it on between A and B. Alright, we're leaving. This is one for the books right here. So yeah, this wasn't converted over. This is a really old one. It's a 07. But somebody got to it. They may have even bought it from me because I've done some conversions. Seems like something I would do. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but definitely seems like something I would do. I should start putting my sticker on all these. Yeah, in fact, I know I've worked on a couple that look like this, so this may even be one that somebody bought from me. But they definitely choked it out at the base. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. And we will see you on the next one.